How to fix Android touch screen not working. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get right into the video. First method, restart your device. Hold power button on your device and now swipe towards restart. Sometimes restarting your device will fix this kind of error on your screen. Second step is make sure that your software is up to date. Go to settings. And now search for update using the search bar at top of the screen. And you will see a list of updates along with software update. You simply need to choose software update and if there is any updates, install them. And after that, you need to restart the device after updating. You need to even check whether your storage is free or not. Sometimes unnecessary files and different kinds of photos, videos will create the storage issues, due to which there might be hang on your device and your touch screen may not work. So let's go ahead and tap on about device for that. Tap storage. So as you can see that out of 128 GB, 127 GB has already been used on my device and it is almost full. So this may be the reason why your touch screen is not working. So free up the unnecessary files and folders. The other thing you can apply is simply visit a service center if none of this step worked. The issue might be hardware related, such as a damaged digitizer, internal screen damage, and loose connections. So simply take the phone to an authorized Samsung or Android service center for professional repair. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.